In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an efficient workflow with AI by guiding you through the process of planning your agent's purpose, building a workflow using AI nodes, connecting necessary APIs, and finally, running and optimizing your agent for the best performance. Let's get started and dive right into making your AI workflow come to life. First, before you even begin constructing anything, it's important to plan out the purpose of your agent. Think about what you want your AI agent to achieve. Is it designed to handle customer inquiries, automate a repetitive task, or perhaps enhance productivity in some form? Clearly defining this goal leans heavily into the success of your agent, so take a moment to outline it with as much detail as possible. Understand the problem you're solving and consider the specific actions your agent should perform. This foundational step will guide all of your subsequent decisions and ensure that the final product meets your intended expectations. Once you have a clear vision of your agent's purpose, it's time to start building your workflow with AI nodes. AI nodes are essentially building blocks that represent different tasks or actions within your workflow. Begin by setting up your initial nodes, each one corresponding to a specific task that your agent needs to perform. It's essentially like creating a map for your agent to follow. Think logically about how each task should flow into the next, taking care to ensure that the transition between nodes is smooth and logical. This might involve adjusting parameters within each node to specify how it interacts with others, ensuring that data flows correctly from one stage to the next. Remember, this structure will greatly influence the efficiency of your agent. Next comes the task of connecting APIs if necessary. APIs, or application programming interfaces, can extend the capabilities of your AI agent by allowing it to communicate with other software and services. Depending on your agent's purpose, you may need to connect various APIs to access external data, trigger third-party services, or leverage additional functions. Be sure to secure the proper authentication keys and manage permissions carefully, keeping your integration smooth and safe. Pay close attention to the documentation provided for each API to avoid any potential pitfalls. This step can significantly enhance what your AI can accomplish and is an integral facet of making your workflow dynamic and effective. Finally, with your workflow constructed and your APIs connected, it's time to run and optimize your agent. To start, test the agent under different scenarios to ensure it behaves as expected. Look for any hiccups or areas where the performance isn't as strong as you would like. It's often necessary to iterate on your design, fine-tuning nodes, and parameters for better functionality. Optimization might involve revisiting the way your nodes are connected or adjusting the data flow. Continuously monitor the agent in real-world applications to make iterative improvements, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an AI workflow. With clear planning, precise construction, effective use of APIs, and ongoing optimization, your AI agent can now operate effectively towards its defined purpose. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in crafting your own AI workflows.